side C. Okay, so the sine rule basically is another very simple rule as well. It states that sine of any angle in a in any triangle, the sine of any angle divided by the side that is opposite to that angle is equal to the sine of another angle divided by the side that is opposite to that angle. Okay, what do I mean by this? I'm saying that if we look at this triangle, the sine ratio of angle A, if I take sine of angle A and then I divide it by the side opposite to angle A, which is side A, this is equal to taking sine of angle B and then dividing it by the side that is opposite to angle B, okay, which is sine B over B, okay, and obviously this will be equal to taking the sine of angle C and dividing it with the side that is opposite to angle C, and that is side C. So this is also equal to sine of C divided by side C. Okay, so this is basically what the sine rule states.
Hey there, please note that this was just a portion of the actual session. You can find the complete session on our YouTube channel. I have attached the link to the channel on the comment section. Go check it out. Don't forget to like, share, and follow us on all social media platforms. See you on the next